Hello student, today we are going to design a logo for Nexative, a software development company. Nexa means that you put that in mind, and here are some references we collected. This is the reference client gave us. He wanted this to be the letter, and we have to follow this color, and we are going to use this creatively. So let's see what we can do. First of all, we have to create same to this, but this will be an A in later. So let's start with the rectangle shape. Just give the rectangle shape by like this. Look, just shift alt to make it bigger, and as it's an N, so I'm going to use like this. Sorry. We have to keep it same aligned, so I'm using this. Sorry, let's just lock it by pressing Ctrl and 2. Select both and press left click here, and make sure it's aligned perfectly. And now everything is okay, and we have to draw a line from here to here, so we can do it very easily like this. Okay, so let's just increase it, and after that just change the stroke size. Okay, much better. And now we need to think about making it same to that, like this. So we have this ready, and now we have to draw a shape. Yeah, and just select it and make sure it's vertical and bottom, and make sure it's aligned as it was in the design. Just doing one corner round with the direct selection tool, and then now we have to work on it. So let's keep it from here to here. I have made copy by pressing Alt button, and now I'm just making it larger. Now object expand appearance, okay. Now fill it with same color, and then we have to work on it. First of all, let's make a copy of it so that we can recover whenever we need. Now just select everything and unite, and now we will follow the Material icon, and you can see that the Mazario icon has round view for these corners. So we will have the same top view, and for these corners we will have the same round view. It will have more. Okay, so now it's much better, and now we have to work on this round, and we will have to do the same thing for this one. Okay, now we can do the same thing for these parts also. Maybe we can do it like this. So this is N letter till now, but you can see that this is not looking great, so we have to make it. Okay, let's just keep the copy of it and make like this. Much better, but still there is something that doesn't make it look great, so we have to make that. Like, there should not be any corners, so I'm just selecting all the corners right now and making it a little round, and then we are going to use it like that. So now we have made the N letters this part, and this looks like more, not 100%, but much similar to that. Now if we try to do something, by the way, this is our one design, so I am just making a copy of it. And now let's work with this one again, and this time we will try to do something different. Let's see which one works well for us. Nope, this is not looking like in. So I'm staying with this design, and let's move forward. So first of all, we are going to give it a color, and for the color, we are going to use the gradient of this to this color. So this is how it's looking right now. So let's just fill it with the color and try alternatives to see which one works well. I feel like this is okay for our design, and as this is more rounded, we can do a little round here also. Let's make a copy of it, and now we will make two variation of this. So just do a third, whatever I say this, just filling with it with the color white and increase it. If you see right now, we are following this icon here, which resembles the software development part for us. So let's do it. And for the here part, we can do just transform and reflect. Okay, so same thing, but a little. We can do this also, but for that we have to make something like this. By the way, we have to make something like this. Maybe you can't see it because of the color. So this is not loose for the other part. Just make it round. So this is how it looks for the second version, and this is first version. Second version is the development part, the other part from the design. So we have two icons right now ready, and we will move with this. So let's complete the logo with the name. So we will have one version with the name like this. So let's set a copy of it so that we have it whenever we need it, and I create the right, and just do like this. The last. Okay, much better. More probably we have to do some more adjustments. Okay, so next are div. This is the name and this is the icon, and we can adjust it. So this is the first version. We are going to create some more options, like just replacing the n with the icon n. Sorry, and group it and the N and we make it to the same size that D has, or I'll close up to that. So let's do it like this. So this is how it looks like right now. So next are div, and for the above part we can do like this. So both are same. We are just trying to see the different options from here. So we have this and this, and now we have to move with the second icon. For that we have to make a copy of that, and I will just go to the object, expand appearance, just selecting the stroke and stroke parts. So let's just use the shape builder tool and alt left click to cut the software development icon. And now we have this ready, and we have to do the same thing we did with this part. Just make a copy of it and select it all. Make sure it has the all same, and now just put it on the left and like this, Control 3 and Control Alt 3. And if you need a logo for your brand, you can contact us at cfdlogomate@gmail.com. So now we have this logo as well, same to that version. So we are going to keep a minimum difference between them by distributing the same differences. Maybe we can do it like this. And we can copy it and do the same version of the so this is how it looks like right now. Just delete the extra letters from here, and here is it. So let's do the same color. The exact div. Maybe we can keep this different color or same, whatever. We have completed this also very carefully. And now we can show it to our client to see his reaction, and if he needs any changes he will let us know and we will do that. Thank you so much for watching this trailer. We will come back with a new video soon.